can throw this on and run to the store. Like right now, my hair is this long, girl, okay? So like, I don't like to be running out here looking like a whole chicken out here in these streets.
Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Sunber Hair. Shout out to you, Sunber, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Now I do not have these clips sped up because y'all, it wasn't a whole lot that I had to do to this wig, and I was like, Lord, I can just do this in normal time. Okay, so yeah, this is like actually how long it took me to style this wig. It's not sped up whatsoever. Okay, y'all, so the unit is a baseball cap wig. As you guys can see, this unit doesn't come with any combs or anything. It is just like a standard baseball cap, including the little adjustable thing in the back, so you can adjust that as needed. I simply wore it just like that. You don't have to do any extra, like literally you just throw it on just like you just see me doing. And like I said, this is in real time, y'all. Okay, so the texture that this unit is in is Jerry curly texture, and I don't know if I mentioned or not, this unit is 20 inches long. Now as far as it being big head friendly, child, it's a baseball cap. Like, honey, if you can wear a baseball cap, you can wear this wig. Okay, you can just literally go off of that. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig, and if you're interested in any more details and specs and stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Sunber Hair. Shout out to you, Sunber, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. I was super excited about this cap wig. I had a cap wig recently, and the company wanted to work on it, so I wasn't able to release it, and y'all were asking me so many questions. So when this company reached out to me and they sent me a list of wigs and I saw a cap wig, I was like, yes. Okay, so I was really excited. So the details and stuff on this one is it's called Sunber baseball cap wig, long curly hair wig, naturally connect human hair, hat wig adjustment for women, quick and easy wig. Child, I'm not lying to you, girl. They got all that on here, okay? So it has on here hair color, natural black color, hair length 20 inches, wig style, full machine cap wig, cap size average, it's adjustable. It says 21.5 to 22 inches, and it is adjustable because it has the little, the little cap thing in the back. I'll show you guys better in a minute when I do full 360. Machine double webbed, long Jerry curl hair cap wig, 100% virgin hair, one piece, and it says it can be bleached or dyed. Okay, so it does state that this is a Jerry curl texture, and Jerry curl is actually one of my favorite textures. I know that some of y'all are like, oh girl, no, not Jerry curl. Like, I love the Jerry curl texture. Like, I just think it is a whole vibe. I love this texture. So yeah, this is a Jerry curl texture, and as far as shedding and tangling goes, it's a little tangly, but it's not crazy tangly. Like, it's your typical curly hair type of tangly. Like, you'll hit a snag or two every now and then, but it's like you can still pull your fingers through it. So it's like, you can just feel a tug. And as far as shedding, I haven't noticed any shedding yet. Oh, I lied. So it does shed just a little bit. So yeah, keep that in mind. It does shed a little bit, but it's your standard curly hair type of vibe, honey. Like when it comes to curly hair, you're gonna get a little shed and you're gonna get a few snags here and there. And I didn't wet it. I didn't put anything on it. So yeah, that does usually that helps with it being shedding or tangling. It helps go through curly hair a little bit better. But I didn't put anything on there, girl. Okay, so what you see is what you get. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's not a whole lot that I can even say. This wig doesn't have any combs. It has no adjustable straps. It has nothing but your standard little cap thing in the back. And I will do a full 360 and show you guys that. Now, as far as a length check, they said that this is 20 inches. I would say it's 20 inches stretched out, but maybe 16, 18 inches in its natural state. And yeah, that is pretty much that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into how I feel about this unit. If you are interested in that, then honey, please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, y'all, I am so excited about this wig. It is a complete vibe. Like, I love these type of wigs. Your girl need these type of wigs in my life, honey, because when I'm just trying to rush to the store or trying to get some stuff done, I like to throw on something like this, okay? Now, I do remember there was a phase where people like Dion were making these wigs, and I was like, oh my God, they're so cool. Like, they're able to do it. I am not that girl, okay? I am not that girl. I was thinking even then, Lord, I hope somebody will come out with these type of wigs because I can't make my own. I just can't. Shout out to people like Dion that can just, you know, that are so talented that they can just come up with this type of thing. And that was a while back, and they did it. Oh God, that was like 2 or 3 years ago. I don't even think I had a channel at the time when I was watching those videos. So this isn't a new idea, okay? But I was just really happy that somebody did it for me, okay? Because your girl just can't do that, okay? I just can't. So I was really excited about it. I think it is an entire vibe, honey. I love the texture of this hair. I love that it's Jerry curl hair. I love that I can throw this on and run to the store. Like right now, my hair is this long, girl, okay? So like, I don't like to be running out here looking like a whole chicken out here in these streets. So I love that I can just throw this on without having to do a whole lot, okay? A whole lot. And it's, to me, it's just something about a black baseball cap and a red lip, girl, okay? Like, it makes me feel real cool, like real gangster like, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think it's a vibe. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you think it's a vibe? Let me know down below. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Y'all see my ear? Y'all, my ears are huge. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this unit. If you are interested in purchasing, oh girl, honey, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.